That shit bounces back, it hurts. I bought a mini MotoGP bike. There's just one huge problem. It's gas. No! So before I convert it to electric, let's see how it runs out of the box. Dude, look how sick this is! It doesn't take normal gas, it takes race fuel. I got some. Smells so good. Jeez. Fully charged. Should I pull the thingy? But there's only so, oh, the kill switch, Dude, I remember when it came off during assembly and I was like, I'll get it back. I pulled it out. I hope that's how it works. Am I blowing it right now? Let's go! Come on! Oh, so I'm in neutral. Neutral is at the top. So I've been in the highest gear this whole time. So you gotta shift down to shift up. Oh man, as if it wasn't hard enough already.
You're doing like 60 or 65 on that.
Yeah, it feels like 60 or 65. Oh shit. Oh,
Burning oil.
oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, oil's standing.
Oh, we're leaking. We're smoking. There's so much oil. I blew something. Bro, look at the fender.